Welcome to FreeCAD new tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this part into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. As you can see that my part design workbench is active, so I will create a new file and I will create a new body, and now we will read our drawing. So we can see that our base profile is like a plate, and it has one boss and one stiffener plate here. So we will start creating our part with this base profile, and then we will extrude and make the cut. So first we will make this profile like this, and we will extrude more than 100 mm, and then we will make the cut on both the side from here and here, and then we will add this boss, and then we will add this stiffener. So let's start. So here I have created my body. Now I will create the sketch, and for the sketch I will select this exit plane, and now I move to the tree view. As I am in the sketcher, so first I will draw my sketch. So for this I will keep my center here, or I can draw from this origin as well by keeping my origin here. So I would keep it simple as possible. So basically I will draw a rectangle like this, and we can see that this is the R25. So I will delete this line, and I will select the 3-point arc, and this is the R25. So first I will make the tangent, and then I will give my radius, which is 25. Now we can see that this base plate thickness is 10 mm. So I will give first dimension 10 mm. I will move it outside, and now I will join it with my arc, and I will make this and this point horizontal. And now if you see our total length of a part, so this is the 50 plus 175 plus 65. So we will add the dimension here, so it would be 50 plus 175 plus 65. So this is our total length of a part, and at the same time our sketch is also fully constrained. I will exit the sketch, I will set to the isometric view, and now I would extrude it more than 100 mm. So I will keep here 200, and I will say here symmetric to the plane, or I can say it 160. Okay, and now on this face we will remove the material. So I will create a sketch, and I will set to the isometric. And now I will draw a circle whose diameter would be 100. So I will give it diameter 100, and it is a 70. So before that I would make it tangent, and now I will draw the two line, and then I will join it with my diameter. This is a 70, so I will go with a symmetricity. I will select this point and my axis, and now I will resolve this conflict. And now I will move it to the outside, and I will join with the line, and I will set it to the vertical. Okay, now I will give the dimension 70, so I will select this line and give my dimension 70. So basically I want to remove material here at this portion. Now I will make it constraint, so I will select this point and this point, and I give some rough dimension, say 300. So this is the fully constrained. Now I will select all my sketch and I will make it a construction. Now I will draw my close profile and then I will mirror it. So for this I will convert the edge, because I would require this edge to close my profile. So first I will close this one to, I will take the outside, and here I will make the coincidence constraint. Okay, so this conflict I will delete, and now I will join this with this. So any conflict you get, just delete it. And now select the 3-point arc. So here is our close profile, and now I will switch to the isometric, and I will close it, and I will go with the cut, and I will say through all, or I will say the dimension, and I will say symmetric to the plane, and I will give here rough 50 mm, so that complete material should be removed from top and bottom. And now I will mirror this to the other side. Now here I am getting the blue tick, so I will update my model. Now I will select my pocket and click on the mirror, and here is the plane exit, so I will select my plane exit. So you can see that the cut has been adapted on the other side as well. And now we will adapt the hole here and hole here. So I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and I will project my outer edge, and now this is the diameter 35, so I will select the center point and make a circle. Now I will give it a diameter 35. Now I will close it and I will go with the cut, and simply I will say true all and I will say OK. Now we want hole here which is of a dia 10, so I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and I will project my outer arc, and now I will draw a circle. So it is a diameter 10, so I will select this and give it a diameter 10, and I will close it and I will say extrude and I will say true all, say OK. And now we will make one cylindrical, we will make a circular boss here. So for this I will select this face and I will say create a sketch. So the position is a 65, so I will rotate my model as per the drawing view. Now I will draw a circle and I will make a coincidence, and then I will give my position. I will project the outer edge. Now I will select this circle and this point and I will give the distance 65, so 65, and outer diameter is 40, so 40, and inside diameter is a 15, so I will give here the 15 mm and I will say the 15. Now I will close my sketch and now I will extrude it to the 60 mm length. So here I will go and say 60, and now we will add one triangular plate. So for this I will on my origin plane, as I have made my part symmetric, so I can simply select this exit plane and I will say sketch, and now here I will project this outer edge of my circular boss and the bottom edge. So I will select this and this, and I will switch to the wireframe so that my projected line should be visible, and now I will create a triangle. So any conflict we will resolve later. First I will join it and now I will delete it. So the triangle is a 60 mm, 10 mm thickness. So from the top it is 20, so I will select this point and this point and I will give my dimension 20, and the bottom one should be 60, and I will close it and I will move to the flat lines, and now I will say pad and I will say it's symmetric to the plane. So you can see that pad has been added. Now I will say OK. Now I will off my origin plane. Now we have adapted all the features as per our part. Now I will go to the appearances and I will select the shape color. So I will give the as it is color similar to our 3D view. So I will say OK. So this is how we have successfully converted our orthographic drawing into the 3D model as per the 3D view. So this is how we have successfully converted our orthographic drawing into the 3D models. And if you are very new to the FreeCAD and you are interested to master the FreeCAD, then I have made a course for beginner users, FreeCAD crash course for beginner, where I have covered how to get started with FreeCAD, what are the workbenches, how to install the FreeCAD on Windows. I have covered part modeling in a second module, where I have covered part workbench, draft workbench, part design workbench, and I have covered here the various type of a model like hinge block, index slide, compression spring, gears, pipe, surface, and how to work with a different type of a file in a FreeCAD. And I have also covered the 3D printing. In module 3rd I have covered working with assembly, and module 4th I have covered how to work with the FreeCAD drawing. Apart from all this, you will also get access to my Discord server, and you will also have the chat support where you can clear your doubt. So check out the link given in a video descriptions and visit my Ko-Fi page. So I will come with a more useful tutorial like this. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.